The Ulefone Armor 23 Ultra is definitely one of the best 5G rugged phones of 2024. The device is among the few rugged phones with a two-way satellite messaging feature, and of course it is not just a rugged phone that is designed to look like a rugged phone. It is a rugged phone that is stylish and very comfortable to use. That is because it's one of the thinnest and lightest rugged phones in the market. It is not as bulky as many other rugged phones around. There's a pre-sale going on. It started today and it's going to be ending on the 12th of January. So if you want to get the Ulefone Armor 23 Ultra for a very affordable price, then make sure to use the links in the video description. All right, anyway, let's explore some of the top features of the Ulefone Armor 23 Ultra. So the Armor 23 Ultra is one of the thinnest and lightest rugged phones around. I'm not saying that it's very thin when compared to normal smartphones, but when compared to many other rugged phones, it's very thin and of course very light. It has a thickness of just 12.7 millimeters and its weight about 333 grams or so. So it's one of the thinnest and lightest rugged phones that I've come across. Trust me, there are many other rugged phones that weigh more than a pound. There are some rugged phones that are half a kilogram in weight. Very heavy rugged phones, and that's because of the battery capacity that they pack. The Armor 23 Ultra is one of the lightest and one of the thinnest because it has a normal battery capacity. Its battery capacity is 5280 mAh and it supports 120 watts fast charging as well as 50 watts wireless charging, and it also supports reverse charging. Brilliant combination. The battery capacity isn't small, okay? It could easily last a day, 2 days, depending on how you use the device. The Ulefone Armor 23 Ultra isn't just a rugged phone. It is a device that is designed to be durable, stylish and attractive, and of course very comfortable to use. So these are some of the reasons why it's special. Also, the Armor 23 Ultra has a dedicated SOS key at the top of the device. So what you're going to do is press the key and the device would automatically dial an emergency number for you. It's going to be transmitted via satellite. So other features of the Armor 23 Ultra are quite great. The device has a 6.78 inch Full HD plus 120 Hz display, and the display is protected by the Gorilla Glass Victus. In case you're not aware, this is the second rugged device to have its display protected by the Gorilla Glass Victus. The first is the Lenovo ThinkPhone. It is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8020 processor paired with 12GB RAM and 512GB internal storage. At the back of the device is a round-shaped camera module that contains quad cameras, a flash, and IR emitters. Now, the cameras consist of a 50MP primary sensor and another 50MP ultra-wide-angle camera, 64MP night vision camera, and an 8MP telephoto lens. The front-facing camera of the device is 50MP. Unfortunately, the camera system doesn't support OIS. The device is going to run on the Android 13 operating system and it's going to be the stock version. So this device features a side-mounted fingerprint scanner. It supports face unlock, NFC. It is rated IP68 and IP69K. It is also military grade standard 810H certified. So there we go, guys. It's a rugged device with a satellite feature, stylish design, and like I mentioned earlier, if you want to get the Ulefone Armor 23 Ultra for a very affordable price, then make sure to use the links in the video description. The pre-sale would be ending on the 12th of January. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.